Day 3 of BBS Style 71 restoration. I got these BBS Style 71 rims from Facebook Marketplace for $170. What a beauty. On day 3, we took the face off of these BBS Style 71 rims. These rims are made with two pieces, so we took them apart to prepare for our paint stripping step. We took off the faces off of the barrels using an 8mm triple square on a breaker bar, and then we used an impact to take it off the rest of the way. Today, my brother came over to help me out with getting supplies and taking off the faces. If you want to see more of these BBS Style 71 rim restorations, like and subscribe.